I was doing local gardening for different people of our church. So a friend of mine said, well, why don't you get into this program where you can get your certificate and be licensed and maintenance technician. So I got in the program, found out about it, it was free, and here I am.
Well, I was looking for a career change, and I heard about the program on the radio. And I thought it'd be a great opportunity. It's something I haven't tried before. I think I would enjoy working outside, landscaping, and also working the Olmsted Parks. It's a historic park system that I like to be, it'd be nice to be a part of and hopefully start a new career with.
I've always been interested in all things environmental and nature. I love gardening, I love growing things from seed and harvesting them. I'm sort of in between, transitioning careers, and so this was a perfect first step. It's like a way to get my foot in the door to transition careers.
We've learned turf maintenance, turf care, turf installation, shrub and tree maintenance. It really is the nuts and bolts of landscape maintenance in general.
How to plant, how to turf, how to keep your turf up, how to prune, how to replant, how to sow grass, how to make grass grow, and different machinery, lawnmowers, chainsaws, hedgers, pruners, shears, and just got a basic and general knowledge on how everything works. Should be maintained and should be kept up so it'll last long.
We're here getting hands-on education with a lot of equipment that I probably would have never seen in my lifetime had it not been for this program. So just kind of those skill building opportunities, as well as I think just meeting more people who are involved with the stewardship and care of the Olmsted Park system, seeing how much people love and are passionate about these spaces and how important they are to the city. So
I've been gardening and growing things since I was little with my parents out in the front yard in the garden, and I keep a lot of house plants and have a vegetable garden at home, but I never had that formal background knowledge that I got from our textbook and our classwork. And now that we're out in the field, I get to work with people at Olmsted, meet a whole bunch of people and see what they do every day when they're out boots on the ground. So I've learned a lot so far.
I've gained a lot of little bits of information that were like aha moments for me. Like, oh, that makes sense. And I can relate it to all of my past years as a gardener in combination with what I've learned here.